Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have been redecorating my sunroom and I have found the most gorgeous piece of art for the wall. This metal sun moon decor from YOTINTIN is so thoughtfully put together. Even the way that it arrived to me, it was packaged so that it was protected, which I really appreciate. It came with items that we needed to hang it on the wall, instructions. It even came with a little template so you're able to practice, you're able to see where you want to hang this. I thought that that was extremely thoughtful. The metal craftsmanship on this is so impressive. It's super thin, but very, very sturdy. And I just think the design is incredible. It was very easy to install. It even came with a mini level and gloves. I thought those were such nice touches. We used our own tool to put holes in the wall personally, but it came with everything that you needed to be able to hang this. And what I think is so neat is that it actually lifts off the wall. So it gives this 3D effect that is super, super unique. Everything about this wall decor is just stunning. I love the contrast, the night and day, the mountains and the sea. It is really, really beautiful, and it was perfect for this space. It has a really nice minimalist design while also just being so interesting. So I'm really, really happy with it, and I just think that it looks elegant, it's excellent quality, and I think that this is an amazing product wherever you decide to use it. Everything about this wall art is so impressive to me, from the thoughtful design to the craftsmanship. I think that it is gorgeous and it could look beautiful in so many different spaces. I think that you are going to be really impressed with it as well, but that's just my point of view.